Hello dear students, how are you all? All good? Chal. So, as I promised you that I had a dream to take sessions for IIT exam from last 2 years. A dream, why it was a dream? Because over a decade I had trained IIT exam students, okay? But nowadays, due to busyness in other projects, I was not able to cop up or manage that time for you guys. But I am lucky enough, and I will say कि I'm more lucky enough, okay, to have a good and best team from IITs and NITs over central universities. Lot many guys are there जिनके साथ I have a personal bonding. Okay, so whatever plan I do, they come up with me then and there, and they say yes sir, करते हैं इसको, right? So I dreamed of this कि मैं मेरी life का I'll just take out 10 to 12 days, will summarize each and everything whatever I had during the decade teaching. I tried my best. I have done all the homework for that. Talked to each individual, whoever was in the team, Upendra Singh, right? After multiple round of discussions and the experience which I carry as a student or as a teacher, what I decided that these sessions must be very much productive and very much consolidated, right? So to fulfill that, I have done, this is the level 1 of preparation, in which we will do all the concepts like group theory, like real analysis, linear algebra, differential equations, especially the ODE part, right? In the level 2, what you need to do is, without addressing the demand of the exam, you cannot achieve the target, right? To achieve the target, we need to do the better analysis of PYQs, which is previous year questions. Fine. So how to analyze those questions? That is the crucial journey here. So what I have done is, in the starting of 6 days, I will do this CDS and PSS. After that, we will have a 4 days long session for addressing the demand of exam, right? For addressing the demand of exam. After all these things, we cannot leave you alone, dear. We are there for you, and that will be done with the help of individual mentoring. So what we will do in the individual mentoring, near the exam, students suffer psychological problems, right? They need, many times they are solving the questions in the mathematics or in the sciences. They suffer कि यार someone should be there who can tell me how this answer came or how this particular step came into the picture. Means they don't need a teacher for 5 hours in a day. They just need a person who can check his message, who can check her doubts then and there or instantly. For that, we need to have a big team. And here, alumni to the group Upendra Singh Sir comes into the picture. What you will be doing here is, you will have the number 9971030052. You just WhatsApp your query or your doubt. At the same moment, you will be connected with your senior from different IITs or NITs. They will take your doubt, they will solve your doubts, not only the subjects or also for your psychological things. Fine. So now you people will be thinking, this is very comprehensive process and how it will be done within the 10 days. So if I have promised I have planned like this 6, 4, 10. This is the journey which is required to be companion for you till your exam morning, right? So this is what I can do for you. I tried my best. Rest is up to you guys, okay? So be part of disciplined learning. Follow the best teaching methodologies which we have been consistently working for, and in this manner we can say you will be preparing in right way. If you check the YouTube handle Upendra Singh Guide to Your UPSC Journey, you will get this handle, prepare in right way. When I say prepare in right way, it is not simple line. These are emotions, these are experiences, these are the things which I got to know as a student or as a teacher. Fine. So how this prepare in right way and all these things will be done? These things will be done at YouTube channel Upendra Singh Guide to Your UPSC and IIT Journey. Every day you will be receiving the notification for the program 6 to 9 AM and 8 to 9 PM. For the whole day, the live chat, even in the class time, during these sessions, the live chat options will be always there. Your teacher, Upendra sir, and all your seniors from different IITs and NITs will be available during these sessions, right? So don't think these are simple YouTube videos. These are the most comprehensive ways to do or to fulfill the demand of exam in the better ways. So I hope all IIT exam students, I am really overwhelmed over the response when the 2 days before this 2 days back when I thought and when I just floated a video, many of you come up and many of you, मतलब मैं नाम तो I will not take here, उसके बाद हम एक पार्टी रखेंगे, है ना? We will organize a party for that. But why party? Because I am not taking money, but I am earning money because I have a secure job. Good things are there. This is all the passion part, and passion cannot be done through the money itself. Okay? So जितने भी thousands of students ने शेयर किया है और इस टीम का पार्ट बने हैं, उन सबको स्पेशल थैंक्स फ्रॉम माय साइड. एंड थैंक्स के साथ में अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आई एम गिविंग यू गाइज. सो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू विल वियर दैट फॉर योर जूनियर्स इन द कमिंग जनरेशन, राइट? इज देयर एनीथिंग लेफ्ट? नो. सो लेट्स मीट टुमारो मॉर्निंग 6 AM. ओके? तो अपनी सीट बेल्ट 6 बजे बांध के अपना पानी लेकर बैठिए, क्योंकि ये सेशंस कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव है. बीच बीच में 1-1, 2-2 मिनट का सांस लेने का टाइम विल बी देयर, बट डोंट स्किप एनी ऑफ द मिनट एंड डोंट थिंक कि वीडियोज आई विल लुक लेटर ऑन, आई विल वॉच लेटर ऑन. दिस टेंडेंसी विल make you feel कि you are lagging behind over your competitors. So be ready, and in the morning, in the evening, for 10 days, next 10 days, just think these 10 days are gonna be the most important days of your life and most productive ways. तो प्रिय छात्र और छात्राओं, सुबह से कल सुबह से आप लोग इस शेड्यूल के साथ अगले 10 दिन सारी चीज को भूलकर इस सेशन के साथ कनेक्ट रहेंगे. बहुत सारे रिस्पॉन्सेस आए हैं व्हाट्सएप पर. मैं उन बच्चों के नाम यहाँ लेने बैठूंगा, तो जो IIT JAM के कोर्स लेना चाहते हैं, ईच कॉर्नर ऑफ इंडिया people are messaging from J&K, from this Kerala, Tamil Nadu, everywhere, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, everywhere, from Maharashtra, students are messaging, sir we will take your sessions. तो उनके नाम जो है वो क्लासेस के दौरान सबको कनेक्ट किया जाएगा. और अभी भी जो लोग रह गए हैं, do let them know कि it's an very important session for you guys, IIT exam 2023. So in the last, I will say only thing: if you prepare in right way, you will get the best result. Good luck.